This motorhome is the Oasi 690 Twins from Wingamm. It comes at a cost of €146,000, but it is, despite this price, I've got to say, it is a very nice vehicle to acquire. Why is it so expensive? Well, number one thing is the outer shell, which is monocoque. That's clearly costs a fair whack of cash. Number two, it is the materials which are inside. Wingamm is noted for high quality motorhomes, but they do come obviously at a price. Above me is a bed, but as you can see, I'm standing up under it. You couldn't see, but you can see now. I'm standing up under the bed. Now I am 175 centimeters tall, and so I'm standing up right now. Okay, if you're much taller than me, there might be a bit of a problem, but for me, that's great. Coming over to the kitchen, what we've got is this very large sink, and next to it we've got two burners. Under it we have, of course, fridge and drawers down here. Let's open one of them. There you go. Notice the drawers have got proper walls to them, because some companies don't put proper walls in their drawers, do they, Mr. Hymer? We've got storage down there as well. Also got your gas there, so you can turn your gas off. Should really turn the gas off when the vehicle is in motion. In here we have got the enormous washroom toilet, very attractive. And at the back we've got this layout: storage just up there, storage at the back, and storage under the bed. I'll open the drawer up so you can see down here we've got a, oh, there's the wardrobe. That'll come out now. Oh, we've got the, here we can turn the 12 volt supply, so we can turn the lights on and off. You can see what the time is. It's not 6:36, so it's 5:36. Well, it's 5:36 on mine. Anyway, never mind, we'll worry about that one later. There we have the vents for the fridge, and here we've got the rear garage. Window in the door, and also a huge bin. I don't know anybody does a bin as big as that in the door. Okay, this thing here, that's the pricing for it. This thing here is 692 centimeters long. It's got a width of only 224 centimeters. Height is 296. So in my opinion, it is a very attractive motorhome, but the most attractive one is in fact the smallest one they do, which you can see down there, and you can also see in separate videos. This vehicle is now available in the United States. The cost, well, somewhat more expensive than here, but looking at between $150,000 and $200,000. Okay, here the one we saw is coming close to that price anyway. So I mean, maybe by the time you've added on transport and above all customs duties, then that explains the price. Though of course the taxes are lower in the US than here. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.